G'day, I'm Clive and welcome. Just leaving Mount Cooke shelter, heading to Nerang. So that's roughly, I think it's roughly 13 kilometres. We've got to go over Mount Cooke. If you're not in a hurry, take your time. I'm not far out of the shelter, and the sound of the wildlife, the birds, it's just beautiful. Just stop and listen. I've done this section 3 or 4 times before now, and this is actually the first time I'm going to be taking my time. A couple of times I started when it was still dark, so most of this here I didn't see. The first time I did it, the temperature was quite warm, so I was just head down and drinking water and not taking much notice. I'm really glad I'm taking my time today. It's beautiful. Okay, almost at the top of Mount Cooke. Look at these fantastic views. Aren't they fantastic? Peak of Mount Cooke, 571 metres. And when you get to this point, whatever you do, don't take that track that way, it goes nowhere. The Bibbleman track goes that way, around there. Now I'm just going to sit here for a few minutes and have a rest and enjoy the views. As I said, I've done this section a few times, but today's weather has been the best ever. Other times I've been here, it's even been pelting down with rain, The wind has really been going, howling it has. It's just been crazy. Now today it's about 25 degrees centigrade, so just nice, with a nice gentle cool breeze. And you can hear the traffic a little bit, but apart from that, it's just the sound of nature and it's beautiful. So I'm going to carry on enjoying this. Yeah, I think how long it's taken me to get here so far. The other times I did it, because I haven't really been taking my time, I've just been going. Wanted to double hut or something. I've not been halfway to the hut by now, the shelter, the camp. But I'm still on Mount Cooke. Fair enough, I'm on the other side, about to start going down in a minute, but I've really appreciated taking my time. So if you don't have to rush, it's a good idea. Now, the downhill bit. So I see you at the bottom. Oh, found a nice log to sit down on. On the shallow part of the decline now, nearly at the bottom of Mount Cooke. I need to give my feet a rest. Coming down at that angle, down the granite. That's why I said I'd see you at the bottom. Just putting pressure on my feet, going down to the toes on my knees. So I just took my time, and now I'm going to take a few minutes, adjust my feet, have a drink of water, and just enjoy the peace and quiet. After being on top of Mount Cooke with very little shade, it's nice to get down on the lower part of the descent on the south side, which end up in the trees. Even though it was nice up there with a gentle breeze, just being down here now in the shade and the gentle breeze, perfect. It's levelling off quite quickly now, still descending gradually, but a lot easier to walk on. Can you hear that? Silence. Just the sound of the wind blowing through the trees. Beautiful. Just turned off the power line. Not sure the name of the road, I'll put it down here. That in the summer will be terrible. No shade at all, just open, the reflection of the sand, just uncomfortable. So make sure you have a hat and water. So we've got 6.9 kilometres to go. That's 6.9 kilometres. There's a tree there fallen, just the right height to sit on. Got a choice, different levels, and it's in the shade at the moment. Yeah, we've got 6.9 kilometres to go. So yeah, just taking it easy today, sitting down, listening, watching video, making videos, should I say, taking pictures. I'm just enjoying being out here. Yeah, it's been worth taking my time. Okay then, I'll see you in a short while. On this section between Mount Cooke and Nerang, there are very few wargles, the little snake signs that point which direction you go. There's not many places where you really need them, but the ones that are there, keep your head up, keep your eyes open, and you won't miss them. Okay, nearly at the shelter now, so I'll call it a day. Most of this track, since getting out or off the bottom of the Mount Cooke and then onto the power line, has just been like an access track, 4-wheel drive track, all the way. So there hasn't really been much to show. The old cocky squawking and some nice views in the bush. So hope you enjoyed the video and you got something from it, and if you did and you're not a subscriber, please go down below and click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell next to it and select all, so you can be notified of all future videos. And if you are already a subscriber, again I thank you very much. Hit the like button, thumbs up.